Have you ever wondered how all these companies are constantly coming up at the very top of the search engine? Have you ever wondered how they're getting themselves to outrank you inside a search or how they're outranking their competition? Have you ever wondered how they're being able to take all their business data and making it structured in the way that they are inside a search? I don't care what kind of search we're talking about. We could be talking about voice search. We could be talking about someone doing a Google search or Bing search, or they might be on Apple Maps, or they could be on a variety of different platforms. Have you ever wondered how they're breaking through and getting their business to be found? Well, they're using an engine like Simply Be Found's engine, and where we're going to take your business's data and we're going to turn it into advertising. We're going to take that data and help you be able to grow. So no matter where someone's doing the search, if someone's inside of Bing and they're currently doing the search there, or if they're inside of Google doing that search, or if they're asking their phone of, hey, find this near me, or their smart speaker that sits on their table, that is where we're going to break through. We're going to take all of your business's data. All you have to do is just log into the platform, provide it over to us, and we will make sure that we put it out there. And we will get you put in as many places as we can. And we're going to work on being able to be not just found, but to be optimized. There's a lot of these phone calls that are happening, and they're coming in from, say, these voice search registration companies. And what they're saying is, we'll just list your information one time. It's not like that. Our system sends it out there every day. We're constantly coming back and forth. We're taking that business data. We want you to grow your business data. You have a complete to-do list to be able to work from. You're going to get that complete to-do list to be able to help you be able to take your business to that next level. So keep that in mind as you're doing it. And check us out, simplybefound.com. You can start for free and work your way up from there. But let's make 2024 great, and let's finish off 2023 with a bang. So my name is Rob. I'm one of the co-founders here at Simply Be Found, where we take marketing and make it simple for the common local business owner, and for their staff to be able to use as well. So check us out, simplybefound.com.